It is a bitter, bitter cold day today. We got snow last night and it is so pretty, but it is melting fast because it is warming up a little bit. But I think the melt off will probably freeze back up tonight and make some of the roads really slick for some people. So yeah, not fun around here. So what am I doing today? So Ronnie just left. He went to the gym by himself today, which is fine. I've already washed dishes, scrubbed down my kitchen table. I've just been really super busy. I have made the executive decision to move my Christmas tree. And I'm going to tell you the reason why. Ronnie and I thought it was so pretty here because this is where we actually film our broadcast. And I love the way it looks in the broadcast. It's so pretty. The only problem with it is it being here and with our chairs, and you're going to see stuff on my chairs, but we have these chairs. These are clothes that my friend brought me, and I haven't gone through them yet and put them away. So I have a whole group of things that need to go upstairs. If you have I have a 3-story house, but if you have a 2-story house, you kind of know the drill of bringing stuff from upstairs, downstairs, upstairs. It's a task. But anyhow, there is nowhere to put gifts over here and be able to clean around the tree and make it look really pretty. So I have decided that I'm going to move the tree today over by the fireplace so that there will be more room for Christmas presents, and I think it'll look nicer. I mean, I love it here. Don't get me wrong. This is pretty for me, but I have anywhere to put any Christmas gifts because if I put the gifts here, I'm not going to be able to get to the equipment that we use when Ronnie sings and stuff. We've got cords everywhere, so it's like, an impossibility. So I'm going to move that today. But first thing I'm going to do is I am going to clean over here in this corner. I'm going to show you the corner here in a second. So here is my corner, and you can see this is my couch. I kind of like piled the stuff up on the couch. Yes, I'm aware that we don't have covers on here. I ran out. My dad was putting them in. They are tricky because the electrical socket things were not put in correctly in this house. And so they have to be changed as we go around the house and put them in. And it's kind of it's a dreadful task. I'm not even going to lie to you. It really is. But anyhow, I'm going to put the tree in this corner here. I put the skirt around it and put my gifts underneath because we have gifts and I've been buying things for Ronnie and I need to wrap them at some point. And I can't put the gifts over there and they're just kind of accumulating and being in the way. So I think this is going to be the best option is to put it here. So I'm going to clean these baseboards and give a quick mop. Probably wipe these down and just make sure that everything is dusted. The picture and everything's all dusted in this corner. And then I'll move the tree over here. So I kind of made this decision on my own because I really think it would be the best option for us to have the tree over here. Now I'm trying to decide if I just want to put the tree in this corner or if I want to move it more here next to the fireplace area and then put a little table here for, coffee and such. But nobody ever sits on this end. And if they do, they have the coffee table in front of them. So we'll see. I'll get it over here and we'll place it and see what we think. So I hear Bo Bear outside. Okay, here it is in the corner. I'm very happy with it. I do need to get up there and fix the bow a little bit. But other than that, that is it. But there's plenty of room for packages underneath, so that'll be nice. I'm kind of out of breath because I picked a tree up and carried it as a whole across here, and I was trying not to hit the ceiling fans, trying to get in here. So now I am sweeping. You see I got little bits of stuff on the floor. I need to dust. I did straighten out the couch a little bit. I did move my lamp here, which I think will be fine. And this is what I did with the table. This drawer is broken, and one day I will figure it out how to fix it, and it'll be all right. It just needs a little piece of wood in underneath. It doesn't have anything to slide into, so we'll see what I can do about that. It does need to be fixed. I thought about just double side taping it for now because I don't ever use that drawer because I'm the only one who uses this table. So, you know, nobody'd even know that it was broken. I do need to tape this cord up against with some clear tape so that it's not visible. And I got to figure out why my village is not turned on. And I need to dust this thing really badly. It needs it. And the heat came on, and now I'm sweating to death. I was freezing, now I'm sweating. But anyhow, I like the tree over there. I think it'll look really festive and really pretty over there once I get all the presents under it. And yeah, so I'm happy with that. Well, I tell you, it's funny what you find when you clean. My mom, oh my gosh, it's been quite a few months ago. She kept asking me, did you get the metal box? Did you get the metal box? I said, I never seen a metal box. And I went through everything that she sent here. She's always sending me clothes and sending me this and that. She said, I made you a bracelet. She said, it's in a metal box. Well, I didn't think nothing about it. I've looked everywhere for it, and I cleaned out the hutch over there today. And I found this metal box. I'm like, what is this? I've never even seen this metal box before. Apparently somebody must have just opened a cabinet and stuck it in there. And I found my beautiful bracelet that my mom handmade me. And so, Mom, if you're watching, I found it. Thank you very much. And I'm going to put it back in this metal box and take it straight upstairs and put it in my vanity because I don't want to lose it again. So I am dusting down here, and I'm making some headway and getting things done. Feels good to get things dusted and tidy and just picked up. So anyhow, I'm gonna get back to it. So I am fixing to get myself something really cold to drink. I have dusted the stew out of my living room, which is good. There are some things, like some more deep like cleaning, but I'm going to wait to do that for probably next week because I'm going to be having company around the 20th is the plan. So this is all clean. The floors have been swept and mopped in the living room, the entry here, my dining room. The table's been cleaned off. And I've just put a load of laundry in the dryer, and there's a half a load that is in the washer. And then when Ron comes home from the gym, his gym clothes will go straight in the wash, and that will be my second load for today. And then I'll have bedding and towels and stuff like that to do tomorrow, and I'll be all caught up again. Laundry is a never-ending story because it's really bad when it's cold here because it's sweaters and sweatshirts and, you know, light jackets and pants, heavy pants, you know. So it's a lot of thick laundry, so it's more loads. And I hate it. Summertime, you know, I sneeze every time I start vlogging. Anyways, summertime, it's just t-shirts and capris or a sundress, you know, a thin dress or whatever, and sandals. But in the winter, you know, it's all the clothes. It's socks and shoes. It's the work. So obviously more laundry. So, yeah, so I'm making really good headway, getting things caught up. Tomorrow I go to the grocery store for the week, and I like everything to have a clean slate before I go shopping because Ronnie and I are both visually impaired, and we depend on public transportation. So whenever we go to the store, I have to have a game plan, and I have to know exactly what I need. I can't just come home and go, oops, I forgot we were completely out of toilet paper. I'm just going to jump in the car and go to Target. That don't work for me. I have to book rides 24 hours in advance or more. And so, you know, for me, I have to be really on top of everything and organized. But I think really and truly it's a good goal for even people who can drive, because gas is so expensive. Time you run home and back, you know, there and back, you run the gas out of your car and it gets pricey. Let's face it, groceries are higher, gas is higher, and everything. I'm kind of glad that I don't drive, because I don't have car insurance and I don't have to pay for gasoline. I do have to pay for transportation, but it's not that much. And so to be honest with you, I am blessed in that sense. But I kind of miss having the independence of just jumping in the car and just, you know, like today I want to go to Target, you know what I mean, to look around, maybe even Christmas browse. That can't happen. But, and I haven't been to Target, oh my goodness gracious, probably 6 months, maybe 6 months. I haven't been to Target, so it's not really my usual spot over there. And, but I am thinking about maybe possibly booking a bus ride to go over there next week, because there's a big Dollar Tree, and there is several little stores there in that vicinity. And I thought I might go by myself and go over there and look. But you know, I love having my independence and I love going shopping, but it's not like having a girlfriend to go shopping with, you know, that's your age and you're like looking at decor and clothes and jewelry. I really miss my oldest son being near, because him and I went and did a lot of shopping together. He was my one boy that loved to go shopping, so that was nice. But anyways, I am working on the house, and I just so glad to finally make some headway. It feels good to get things tidy, and it smells so fresh in here, and it smells so good, and I love that, because it's like, it's very satisfying to me. I don't know, is it to you guys? Leave me a comment down below. Hey guys, so I went upstairs, changed my shirt, put a little bit of makeup on. My hair's still in a bun, but you know, it's real life. I just didn't want Ronnie to think that I just, you know, don't put any effort into the way I look for him when he comes home. I know that's crazy because he's blind, and what would he know that I was wearing? But anyhow, I'm cooking dinner. I'll flip you around and show you guys what I'm making for supper. Okay, so I'm making sausage soup, and I am changing it out just a little bit. I put Kaluski noodles and potatoes in there. I'm browning hot sausage. I'm going to put a can of carrots, bacon bits, and cream of chicken soup and some evaporated milk in this. And then I'm going to add some garlic and some spices in here, and it's going to be really good. If you have never made soup using Kaluski noodles, you are missing out, because it is delicious. My mom got me hooked, and this is so good. So I'm just sitting here listening to some Christmas music. I found a 1950s Christmas radio station through Alexa. Anyways, I can't say her name or she'll go crazy and mess up. Anyways, I've been listening to that today while I've been working. I've been really enjoying it. It's kind of like, it's relaxing, but yet I've been very productive and got a lot done. So that is a win-win. I'm almost thinking I might go upstairs and get the gifts and put them under the tree, but I might wait till later on. I think I might just sit here and chill while dinner is finishing up in there cooking. I'm just waiting on Ronnie. I don't know when he'll get here, but I have the window, well, I have the shade up on the door so I can see if the bus pulls up. And I'm listening for him. So now, Ronnie just got home. He went up to take his shower, and I've decided to make a dessert to go with dinner tonight. I'm making a pumpkin dump cake. So I didn't have exactly what the ingredients called for, but I think it's going to be okay. I had a one of these cans of pumpkin puree. It's really supposed to be 30 ounce, but it's not. 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of sugar, some cinnamon. Now it asks for ginger and cloves, but I'm leaving that out because it causes heartburn in this house. So I'm going to dump this in here, and then I'm going to cover it with the yellow cake mix and a stick of butter, pats of butter, and pecans right on top. And I'm going to pop it into the oven, and this should come out. It just sounds amazing. Well, we are trying to watch a movie tonight, but our internet is kind of going out this evening for some reason, but it always does this, and it comes back on. It'll be fine. I made myself a hot chocolate. We ate. Father-in-law came over and had dinner with us. Brought Bo Bear with him, and I didn't get any of them filmed in today's vlog because we got a phone call, and it was their friend, and we was all talking to him. Anyhow, I'm having hot chocolate. We love the pumpkin dump cake. It was really delicious. Dinner was good. My baby's finally home.
Yeah, I finally made it after 4 hours. Hey, I got us some antenna channels.
Yep, I see that. Well, anyways, we're going to watch a little TV.
Our internet's out.
Our internet's out, but it'll come back on. And
it'll be back on at 1 o'clock.
Oh, stop. It never stays out that long. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my hot chocolate and get a good warm up and get some rest in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And remember, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and leave us a comment because we read them all. So we will talk to you all again soon. Bye, guys.